Good morning, traders. Forex market situation update. Welcome back. Monday morning. We got the euro pound under the spotlight today. Just following up on the situation here. We've been here before the weekend kicked in, and as you remember, we established a bullish position as price action came off. Well, it came back from the dead pretty much. We couldn't be more impressed by the way it was spiking a solid rock support level 85.30, which had been successfully rejecting price action for many times, as you can see. Right, it wasn't just that on that day. That was the most profound spike that we've been able to record, but that level, which by the way it's two levels combined, which makes it just a massive support level, it's been able to reject price action time and time again. Right now, last time it came back, we were on it pretty much. We were following up very closely. To be honest, we suspected that's gonna be the behavior. We suspected price action was gonna get that rejection, and as it did, we pulled the trigger. Price action began to turn around, we pulled the trigger again. Right, so first time we throw it in 20k, then 10k, and then another 10k. Right, just a couple of hours ago, we bulked the position up a little bit, throw in another 10k. So right now $40,000. We are running a big size position. It's getting bigger. We do have an obstacle pretty close by. Now that level 85.54 is the gateway to the next move, right? Which is that's actually the move that we're mostly interested in. It's the move that's gonna be flying from 85.54 all the way to 85.81. And by the way, once it begins to cross over, it's probably gonna knock off that target in one sweep, in one fell swoop, just as it did. You can see what happened in previous occasions, right? When it came from below, one day, single day move all the way to the top, boom, 85.81, knocked off. Then on the opposite direction, straight from 85.81, single day move all the way to 85.54. I suspect we're gonna see something similar, right? So we have to make sure we build up a nice, a decent sized position before it's gonna run away very quickly and hit our target pretty much. So right now, $40,000 position. We're not gonna take the position any bigger until we cross over 85.54. Once we do, we're gonna try to get aggressive as much as we can until we hit the target. Alright, so that's pretty much the situation right now. Euro versus the pound looks pretty good, looks really good. This whole turning point right there on the bottom seems to be solid, so we'll see how it goes. Last thing I want to say before we move on to the next one is stop loss level right now at 84.90. Once we begin to cross 85.54, we're going to be adjusting the stop loss level pretty significantly, so wait for it. Alright guys, that's about that. Euro pound, very interesting here. We're going to be back to follow up on the situation for sure. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the next video where we're going to present a new trading opportunity that we're going to be taking action on the spot. So don't miss out on that one. See you in the next video.